What happens when one billionaire overtakes another in the race of the richest? Tonight we have a major shake-up in India's rich list that you won't want to miss. Gautam Adani has overtaken Mukesh Ambani to become the richest person in India, according to the 2024 Hurun India Rich List. Adani, who's 62 years old, has seen his wealth skyrocket by 95%, bringing his total fortune to a staggering 11.6 lakh crore rupees. Meanwhile, Mukesh Ambani, who has held the top spot for a year, is now in second place with 10.1 lakh crore rupees. This is especially remarkable considering that just a year ago, Adani faced serious challenges due to allegations from a company called Hindenburg. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Adani bounced back stronger than ever, adding 10.2 lakh crore rupees to his wealth over the past 5 years. India's billionaire count has also reached a new milestone, crossing the 300 marks for the first time with 334 billionaires in total. That's 6 times more than when the list first began 13 years ago. The combined wealth of everyone on the list has now hit 159 lakh crore rupees, which is more than the combined GDP of Saudi Arabia and Switzerland. In a surprising debut, Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan has joined the billionaire club at 58 years old. Shah Rukh Khan has amassed a wealth of 7,300 crore, largely thanks to his investments in Kolkata Knight Riders and Red Chillies Entertainment. Other film industry stars like Juhi Chawla, Hrithik Roshan, Karan Johar, Amitabh Bachchan have also made it to the list this year. Hyderabad is making waves too, adding 70 new billionaires to the list, overtaking Bengaluru to secure the third spot among cities with the most billionaires. India's manufacturing sector is booming, producing 1,016 individuals who collectively added 28 lakh crore rupees to their wealth this year. There are now 18 people in India with a net worth of 1 lakh crore rupees or more, 6 more than last year. Among the young entrepreneurs making headline are Harshal Mathur and Shashank Kumar, both 33, founded Razorpay, and Kaivalya Bohra, just 21, who started Zapto, and also notable Anand Chandrasekharan, the first angel investor to debut on the list with a wealth rupees 1,200 crore. Women entrepreneurs are shining brightly too. Radha Vembu of Zoho retained his title as the richest self-made Indian woman, while Neha Bansal, 42, co-founder of Lenskart, is the youngest self-made woman on the list. But it's not all good news for everyone. While 1,334 people saw their wealth increase, 205 experienced an decline, and 45 dropped off this list altogether. Average age of those on this list is 64, with the oldest being 95 years old, Hanwantbir Kaur Sahni, who made her debut this year. Mumbai remained the city with the most billionaires, boasting 386, followed by New Delhi with 217 and Hyderabad with 104. And finally, Shiv Nadar of HCL has climbed to the third spot on this list with a wealth rupees 3.1 lakh crore, driven by a 50% increase in HCL's share price. That's all for today on TSW News. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time with more stories that matters to you.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.